What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Lewis, and on today's video we're going to be reviewing the all-new Columbia 300 Piranha Pearl. Now this looks a whole lot like that original one from back in the day. So before we get into any details, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Down below in the description there's be links where you can order the ball spinner, or the chamois that I don't have on me right now. It's all in the lanes. And if you'd like to order this jersey or anything on EFX's website, you can go to efx.co and use my promo code Napoles10, which is also right here, NAPOLES10, get you 10% off your entire order. All right, so you guys know that historically I have not liked and have not matched up with any of the Columbia 300 balls. But this one might be different, maybe just for one reason, that it's the first one I'm reviewing two-handed, maybe. So let's start with the core. It's the Piranha Powercor, which in 15 pounds has an RG of 2.51, which is on the high end of medium, and a max differential of 0.055. Now, wrapped around that is the HK22 ER Plus Pearl cover stock that comes out of box at that 1500 compound finish. So we're gonna be here on lane 1 or lane 2 on a transition house shot, which is when I could see myself throwing a ball like this. Lane 1 is a little bit less transition than lane 2, so we're gonna maybe throw a few shots on each to see where it really looks like. With the layout, we went with my typical symmetric ball layout, being 5x5x3. Let me know in the comments, guys, have you thrown any of the Piranha series balls or any of the Columbia 300 balls? Which one was your favorite and why? All right, first shot here with the Columbia 300 Piranha Powercor Pearl. Aesthetically, I like this ball a lot. I haven't matched up with Columbia balls in the past, but I'm not gonna let that influence my review, okay? So, first shot with this ball, we're gonna take a guess. We're gonna go to, let's say, 27. I was thinking 28, but I decided on 27. Let's take a guess here, roll this one into the friction and see what this looks like. Okay, it's not as angular as I thought it was. When I got it right, I thought it was gonna scream. It didn't. It's a little rounder, which is pretty typical for the Columbia brand in general. So we'll move one right with my feet to 26 and move my eyes one left. So kind of shut it down a little bit. All right, so we're gonna shut our angles down a little bit here. Not a whole lot, right? In the grand scheme of things, it's not a big change. Really just wanna roll this one into the friction and see what it does. Okay, that looked a little bit better. I think I'm gonna make that move back left though, only with my feet. Keep my eyes, I think that's the right target, because that came in a little high. So far, I like it. So we're only 2 shots in, so still pretty early, but I like this ball, which is weird to say because the last bunch of Columbia balls I haven't liked, and it could just be something as simple as the rev rate fix or increase, better ball roll as well. But that looks pretty good, you know, which again is weird for me to say because, like I said, I've hated all the other ones. But this is pretty good. Now my goal for the rest of this video is to figure out, okay, is this gonna be a transitional ball or like really like a burn type of ball? That's the big question I have. All right, let's go back to that same spot, but not loft it like I did that last shot. Let's really put this on the ground. See what this looks like. Yeah, I mean, that was not a good shot, but it is way stronger than I was anticipating. Let's try to open up our angles. Yeah, that was a horrendous shot. Let's try to post this at the line and be a little bit more fluid. I feel a little robotic this morning, a little sore. Five through the middle. All right, let's really get left and open up these angles. All right, let's just do the two-hander thing. Let's just get left because this ball is very strong. All right, there we go. Yeah, I honestly don't even know what board that was, probably like 30. I just took a big step left and shaped it because it is very strong. Now let's try that again. Again, we're just gonna be left, throw this right. Wow, I missed right, but just needed a little bit of oil. So I probably could have benefited from a weaker layout on this Piranha, but hindsight is 2020. But keep that in mind for you guys. This ball's strong though. Yeah, okay, it's official. I like a Columbia 300 ball. And if you want yours, get yours at JB Bowling Supply. Yeah, that was a really, really good shot. Really came off the spot nice. It just needed a little bit more oil. Oh my God, I almost 7-9. That's disgusting. Yeah, that almost 7-9, guys, was disgusting. By the way, here's the chamois if you guys want one. Use the link down below in the description. There we go. That's good. It's good motion. It's strong though. So if you guys get one of these and you're gonna lay it out, just keep that in mind that this cover is strong, right? It's not like a super clean cover. It wants to pick up and it shapes pretty good. So just keep that in mind. Don't drill like a 3 3/8 pin to pap on this, okay? And I know I don't normally talk about aesthetics, but I do like the way this ball looks. See it. Oh! Wow! That's what I get for talking mess. I thought it was gonna not see it at all, and it did. Big miss right though. Not a good shot, but still pretty cool. Yeah, it's nice to have room. I'm gonna move a little bit left, everything. Make a good one here. That's a good shot. Bam! I like a Columbia 300 ball, folks. Yeah, that was a really, really, really good shot. So is that one. Wow. Yeah, it's strong. Like, this allows me to get pretty far left with confidence that it's going to make the corner and that it's going to do the right thing down lane. So we just got to keep that. All right, so after this shot, I'll tell you where I can see this ball in my arsenal. Oh, I missed left. So, wow. Where can I see this in my arsenal? Definitely not that game 3 late ball. It's gonna be that go-to ball that I go to, like the first transitional ball I go to when I have to get left fast. So when that happens is when I can really see myself getting into this Piranha Powercor Pearl. All right, a few more shots here with this Piranha, wrap it up. I've seen all that I need to see. Hey. Yeah, I mean, it lets me get as far left as I want. Chris is back there laughing. And it's weird because it doesn't feel angular. Like, angular would not be the word I use because when it goes through the pins, it's like, can you go to the 8-pin once, right? It's super forward down lane, but it lets me get as far left as I need to, and I'm impressed, which is not something I've been able to say in the past from this branch of the umbrella. All right, guys, the last shot of the day coming up here with the Columbia 300 Piranha Powercor Pearl, baby. We're gonna be left. This is not a ball that I'm ever gonna play from pretty straight. This one likes to be hooked. Oh, I missed in, so we gotta throw one more. I can't leave. It's like basketball. I gotta leave on a make. All right, so pretend I said everything I said before that last shot, but one more time. There we go. That's a good one. Bang. Piranha Powercor Pearl is a good one. If you've historically not liked the Columbia 300 brand, like I have, pretty open about that, this one may be the one to change your mind. And again, maybe it's just the rev rate thing, because all the other Columbia balls I've reviewed over the last year and this year, it was one-handed, lower rev rate, bad ball roll. Now my rev rate's higher, more forward ball roll. Maybe that has more to do with it. Who knows? We'll see you guys on the next one.